Hi drivers, in this video, I'll be walking you through on how to apply WhatsApp API template. So without delay, let's get into it. If you have connected more than one WhatsApp API number, do note that the template is only usable by the WhatsApp API number that it's created under. You'll be able to view the WhatsApp API number at the top right of the page over here. If you want to switch between the WhatsApp API numbers, you can just click on the drop down, then select on the WhatsApp API number. So now let's go ahead and start by creating a template. So click on this create template button at the top left over here. Then select the category either marketing or utility. Then enter the template name and select the language. If you want to know more about the category, you can just click on this learn more about categories. Then the description will be shown together with the examples. So let's close this. So for the template that we will be creating, let's say that it is a template to notify your contact that there's a sales offer. So the category will be marketing. Then let's enter the template name. Let's say that it is sales offer. For the language, you can add more than one language, but the template will be created under the language that you are currently in. So example, the language that I select is English and Chinese. Then let's go ahead and click on continue. At the left column, you'll be able to view the languages that you have selected. If I create the template in English, then only the English template will be sent for approval. If you want to delete the language, just click on it and click on this red trash can icon. In the center column, it is to craft the template, while the column on the right shows you a preview of your template from your contact's point of view. So let's go ahead and focus on the middle column. So over here, firstly we have the header. This is optional to add. If you click on the non drop down, you can either add a text header or media header. If you select media header, you can either select to attach image, video, or document. For each of the media header, you will need to add sample. To edit, just click on this choose file and select your file. But let's say we want to add a text header. So let's select on text. So over here, you can either enter a static text or static text and variable or just variable. For the variable, you can add a maximum of one variable. So example, the text is hello. Then you can easily add a variable just by clicking on this add variable. Once you have added the variable, you will need to input the sample over here. For example, you want this variable to be your contact's name. So you can put the sample over here, a generic name, for example, John. Then let's head over to the message body. Here is a sample message that I have typed out for the message body, and it has three variables. To add a variable, you can just click on this add variable, then the variable will be added. In this sample body message, so example for the sales offer name, it is year-end sale. The date would be 25th to 31st December 2024, and the venue will be at KLCC. Then moving on to the footer. This is optional and you may input any text as needed, or you can even input your company name. Lastly, you can add buttons to your template. So when you click on the non drop down, you can select to either add call to action button or quick reply. So let's go through the call to action button first. For this button, when you click on the action drop-down, you'll be able to select visit website, call phone number, or copy offer code. When you click on add another button, you can add a maximum of 2 visit website, 1 call phone number, and 1 copy offer code. For the action visit website, you'll be able to notice that there is this URL type, and over here there is 2 options, either static or dynamic. Static URL means that the URL is not changeable. Meanwhile, for dynamic, the blank of the URL can be replaced with a variable. Then moving on to the quick reply button, you'll be able to add a maximum of 3 quick reply buttons. From these quick reply buttons, you can configure flow builders in the flow builder module. For example, if the button text is interested, when setting up the keyword-based flow builder, the keyword will be interested. Then you can configure the flow builder steps. Once you are done crafting out the template and you have checked that all is good, you can proceed and click on submit. After submitting the template, you'll be able to view the color that is shown in the language column. If it's green, it means that the template is approved, yellow means it's pending, while red means it's rejected. If it's rejected, when you hover your mouse over the language, you'll be able to view the reason why it's rejected. Once the template is approved, you'll be able to use the template to blast to your contact. That is all on how to apply for WhatsApp API template. We hope this video helps you out. See you soon!